Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth and Devices. Following that, select Printing and click on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to try a different service, disable this one first by tapping on the blue switcher at the top. Go back, click on Add Service and install the best one for you. When it's ready, just go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and to wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!